Good morning, Ms. Lipscomb, Lee, Lopez. Who's on the iPhone 5?
Jonathan Lee.
Jonathan Lee.
Yes.
Good morning. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Ms. Good afternoon, Mr. Berry.
You can put it on top of the file, or you can put it right there, that empty spot right there. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, Raina. Bring me that now.
No.
I was shooting here.
All right, we're gonna wait on Mr. Williams Law. Good afternoon, Mr. Berry. We're gonna wait on Mr. Williams Law and we'll get going. Ms. Lopez, the repeated interpreter.
No.
Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello. We'll get started as soon as we get the court report. Good afternoon, Ms. Galloway.
Hi, I'm here. Sorry.
Let's see, Lee. James,
Yup.
last name, sir.
My last name,
Yes.
Litwa, Litwa.
Litwa.
Yup.
Good afternoon to you. The W is silent, huh?
No,
Litwa?
yup.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I just logged on. No sé. Thank you.
The court's website.
Trina?
I'm sorry, sir. What was that?
No, I'm talking to Trina's iPhone. Did you see that summary for Litwa?
I didn't come out yet. Hold on, I gotta reset the computer. Hold on. Okay, reset.
All right, let's talk about these cases then, while we're waiting, Mr. Berry.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Lipscomb is first.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Mr. Berry. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, Lipscomb is first. So Lipscomb has no proof of insurance and a driver's license never acquired. Do you have a driver's license?
No, sir.
All right, what are you trying to do to get one?
I just got transportation to go take my driver's test and to get my permit and everything. So I'm just waiting on my my appointment.
All right, let's give him a pretrial date, Mr. Berry. Give him an
Yes, sir.
opportunity to get a driver's license. When we're gonna put it on the record, but for now, your date is gonna be December 2nd, 2022. Bring a driver's license and bring some insurance.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Don't leave yet, though. Let's put that on the record.
Okay.
Lee, they need to put their device, they need to put their device on. This Jonathan Lee,
Yes, sir.
this is ridiculous here. That's ridiculous.
What is that?
All these
So Jonathan-
cases.
So Jonathan Lee?
Are you Jonathan Marcel Lee?
No, Jonathan Martez Lee.
Marcel?
Martez?
Martez?
Yes.
Okay, this Jonathan Marcel is making you look bad.
Oh no, I was about to have to make it right. Jonathan Martez Lee. No, that ain't me.
All right. Let's get it right then. Let's get it right. That's Miss Williams' law there.
He said-
Marcel has pages and pages and pages of stuff.
Oh no, that ain't me.
I see. I'm sorry. I don't want to mix you up. You have a driver's license?
Yes, I was trying to explain to him. I got my license. I got him.
All right. Run his driver's license, the one I just printed out, please. You can put this back up. We'll deal Right, let me see, that's not. Galloway,
Yes.
do you have any plates and insurance, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Can you pull that information out so when we get your name called, we can get you out of here?
Yep.
All right, let's get Mr. Armari Lipscomb out of here. This is the city of Detroit. You ready, Ms. Williams Law? Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Your Honor. Yes, I'm ready.
All right, this is city of Detroit versus Armari Lipscomb. Case numbers SP 135-07241 and SP 135-07461. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., P28880. On behalf of Mr. Lipscomb, state your full name, Mr. Lipscomb.
Amari Lipscomb.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond, and I will give him a pretrial date. We discuss you bringing a driver's license in, sir. You bring a driver's license in and you bring some insurance in, I'll dismiss these tickets, okay?
Okay, I appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right, and December the 12th, 2022 is gonna be your next date at 8:30. Don't miss it, all right? If you don't have any further questions, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too.
These tickets are still inside the phone.
Was it?
Yeah, I think.
They had you mixed up with Mr. Marcel too.
That's like.
This is the city of Detroit. Is he a license? All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jonathan Martez Lee. Case numbers SP 135-2853, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 135-55651. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of Mr. Lee, state your full name, Mr. Lee.
Jonathan Martez Lee.
Purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand muted.
And not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. And Mr. Lee, you're not gonna get off so scot-free. Yeah, your deal is gonna be blocking traffic for this disregarding the red signal.
Can I have a question, sir?
You certainly can. You wanna talk to Mr. Berry first?
Yeah, I'll talk to him. No matter yet, I'll talk to him.
Okay, we'll put you in a breakout room. If he doesn't like the deal, it's $175. We'll dismiss it. There's no points and no abstraction to the Secretary of State. If he doesn't like the deal, well, he has an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Berry. Go ahead, join me, please.
Yeah.
Lopez. Oh,
Yes.
Where's Lopez? Let me see. Did we print something out?
I put it on, yeah, I gave you. Okay, let's see the next one. You want to see what the camera?
I don't see it on. Katrina? Katrina?
Yes, Judge.
Do you have, good afternoon, what is your last name?
Landers.
Landers?
Yes.
Cassandra? Harrell?
Desandra Ariel. Yes.
Ariel?
Yes. But I'm just looking at the court papers. I'm not sure if I go to court this month or next month, but this ticket came to my house, got Gordon Andrew, Denise Clarkson on it. But I know I do have a court date, and I'm looking at the court date for this one, and it's not me.
Next month.
Next month?
A total 11/2. You got other tickets, you're a frequent flyer too.
You said 11/2.
11/2 is your court date, arraignment date. You have, she's not on there, no. You want to come back 11/2?
So come back at what time?
I think it's 1:30. I think it's the same time. Let's see. How old are you?
Can you say that again, Judge?
I said, how old are you?
28.
You've been getting tickets ever since you could walk, huh?
I didn't start getting tickets until I was probably like 19.
Oh, just after you started walking now. 11?
But I have everything. I don't even I can't explain it, but I feel like the tickets I got shouldn't have been on me, but I have everything.
You know how many times I hear that? Do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
What? Run a driver's license, please. Let's see this. I'm gonna be so surprised if I see this.
You actually helped me. Thank you. Appreciate it.
What do you keep doing back then?
The same that I was. It's a long story, and I guess it is time and place for that. But
there you go.
I don't know.
You learned something the last time you were here, didn't you?
I did, and I don't see how I'm ending up back here. Probably for the same reasons.
Well, I don't know what I'm gonna see about this disorderly conduct, but we'll see. Does he have a valid license?
I'm waiting for it to come out.
Oh, I'm gonna really be surprised.
I got it on me. If you would like to see it.
That's not showing me. I'm about to get it from the authority.
It is from the authority.
Yeah, but it still might not be any good. I know a lot of people that have a driver's license in their pocket and it's no good.
Well, mine is valid.
It's enough paper coming out of. Oh, I know who this is.
Oh gosh. You know what? I was really hoping you forgot.
I know who this is. Is it valid? Yes. She cost so much. Just came down here a couple times and everything. Here, you can throw it away. We need to add some more paper to the system. All right, Ms. Landers, good to see you. I'm glad you got a valid driver's license, ma'am. Come back next month and we'll deal with the ticket.
Okay, thank you. And you said 1:30?
At 1:30 on November the 2nd.
Okay,
All right, have a great day, man.
you too as well.
All right, let's move on. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Is that Mr. Lee?
It is, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Did he come out of the breakout? No, he didn't. All right, Mr. Lee, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Mr. Lee would avail himself of the offer.
All right, you want to do that? These tinted windows on this car, sir, if the allegations are true, then you're gonna have to get those off, or they're gonna keep on ticketing you for it.
I got restriction for. I get my restriction. I just ain't got the restriction. I wear glasses for my glare, so I got the restriction. Haven't got it yet.
Gotcha. All right. All right. You want to take the deal of blocking traffic, sir?
Yeah, I'll take it. Yes, sir.
You know, you sound a little reluctant. You sound a little reluctant.
I don't want to mess myself. I don't want to mess myself up. Taking something, and I know it just yeah.
I'll give him a trial date if he wants to.
He wants to accept this offer, Your Honor.
He wants to accept it? All right. All right. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. Will your client stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, so stipulated.
All right. I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, sir, $175. I'm gonna give you until 10/14/22 to pay. I'm gonna dismiss the other matters, all right?
Yes, sir.
$175, you can pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. Or they can, I told you, you can upload that DivDac app on your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it. I'll give you till October the 14th. We pay it, we'll close it out, all right?
October the 14th. Okay, I'm paid. I can pay it this week.
Very good, sir. Good luck to you. Have a great day, all right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All right, this is City of Detroit versus Carmen Chanel Galloway. Case number SP 135-2655, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Galloway. State your full name, Ms. Galloway.
Carmen Chanel Galloway.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, and the not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give her a $0 bond. Ms. Galloway indicated she has proof of insurance and plates. Can you show me that proof, ma'am? Okay. That is insurance. Let's see, hold it up. Let's see if we can get it a little closer.
Yep.
Right, I see.
Sorry.
That expiration date I see is 2023, and you show me that. I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. All right.
Yes, sir.
There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too.
All right, Lopez, this is the City of Detroit versus Ivana Lopez, case number SP 135-3524, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lopez. State your full name, Ms. Lopez.
Full name is Ivana Lopez.
All right.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'm in not guilty. I'm answering not guilty plea on your client's behalf, and I am going to give your client a $0 bond. She has an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I don't see comments on here saying who was driving the vehicle or anything. Your client's got two options. You can take the $240 and spend the $240 and get a dismissal today, or she could just set it for trial and maybe do better, can't do any worse. It'll be, we'll bring the officer in. If he can't prove that you allowed somebody to drive the vehicle, or if the officer doesn't show up, then the case will be dismissed. Do you have valid insurance, ma'am?
Yeah, I was on my way to get it right now.
Well, don't worry about it, because we're really dealing with the allowing. It was gonna be 1-for-1 anyways. So you want to take the deal today, or you want to see if you can do better at trial?
Am I gonna get no point, or is that with points?
Yeah, it's gonna be no points either or, but you may spare yourself $240 if you take it to trial and they don't show up or they can't prove their case.
I'll pay the $240.
You sure, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm missing a lot of work right now. So I'd rather just pay it and then not have to clock out again.
You're missing 200, you get paid $240 an hour?
Huh?
All right, you can take the deal.
Yeah, I'll pay it.
You want to speak to Mr. Barry while he's here?
No.
Raise your right hand, please.
Mhm.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ma'am, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
Mhm.
I can't
Yes.
understand. Yes or no?
Yes.
All right, you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? And that's gonna be to plead to the count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That's a misdemeanor. I will dismiss, that's 0 points. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, and I will dismiss that upon payment of $240.
Okay. Yes.
You want to take that? Has anybody offered you anything other than that?
No.
All right, man, let me draw your attention back to May the 15th, 2022 at around 4:15 PM in the city of Detroit. Did you own a 2000 Chevy on that date and time? 2015 Chevy.
Yeah.
Did you allow somebody to drive that Chevy on that, around that date and time?
Yes, I did.
And did you allow that person to drive? Did you know that that person did not have a valid driver's license?
Well, we didn't understand at the time.
I don't know.
So
What do you
he-
mean?
Yeah, we didn't understand.
Ma'am, the question is yes or no. Did you allow, did you?
Yeah,
did-
I allowed him.
I haven't finished asking the question.
Okay.
You want to get back to that job real bad and get this $230 off their pocket, don't you? Did you allow that person to drive your vehicle knowing that that person did not have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
All right, I'll find your client guilty as charged. I'm gonna, with the stipulation of probable cause, Counselor, I'm gonna dismiss the other count.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll dismiss count 2 of that ticket. $240, ma'am. Upon payment, I'll dismiss this ticket.
Mhm.
When can you pay?
Friday, next Friday.
I'll give her 10/14/2022, but you're gonna have to come back anyway, because this is the review. You don't have to come back if you pay it. I'm gonna set it for review in 2 weeks.
Okay.
14/2022 at 8:25 in the morning. If you have it paid, you don't have to come back. But if you don't have it paid, I need to see you, all right?
Okay.
All right, you can pay that at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it. $240 will close it out.
Okay.
All right, have a great day, man. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. This is City of Detroit versus James Gregory Litwa. Case numbers SP 1358541, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1376383, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Litwa. State your full name, sir.
James Gregory Litwa.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we will waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
You enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. For this individual, do you have registration and insurance, sir?
Yes, sir. I got my insurance right here.
Let's see what you have. You have registration?
I've yet to get in there.
This is a 2017 Ford. Let's see what he's got. That expired November 7th, 2022. All right, the insurance looks good. What about the plates?
I took the license plate cover off.
That was for the improper display of plate. Show me the registration. Let me see the registration, valid registration.
I've yet to get it validated yet.
All right, he's gonna.
I do have my old one though, if you would like to see that.
He's
Your
gonna
Honor.
pay $145 for expired plate, and we'll dismiss all the other counts.
Okay, and all right.
That's no points. That's no abstraction to the Secretary of State. Is a civil infraction. You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible as charged to the expired plate, $145. I'm gonna dismiss all the other counts. I'm gonna give your client until October the 14th to pay the matters. You pay that one matter, we'll close it out. You can pay that at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay that. I'm told that you can upload that app to your phone.
Okay.
Do you have any further questions, sir?
No, I do not, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
This one individual, Lee, I guess he doesn't really know how to sign, he or she doesn't really know how to sign on. They can't get their audio on. I don't know what we're gonna do with this individual. Pretty sure. See.
How do you want it to be? You want it to be, you want it to be so close? Okay, go up at the top, you see that? It's trying to see it, it's like-
Let's do it like this. Hopefully you'll see this.
What you trying to show?
That connect to audio sign.
Oh, here, just lay it right here, Judge.
Where?
All you gotta do is just lay it right here.
Put
Look,
it
you
up
can
here.
see it.
See it?
Oh, you can see it better.
Always. Where's this guy?
That's the question.
He hasn't been in here?
I always put this up. Put this up there. Tell them to call. Or-
They'll put the 3-1. Oh, you do have the 3-1.
It's right there. See the camera circle is right there. Right in your face. Take a month.
But he's probably on his phone.
You can bring that up. I keep- I don't know where he is. I really think they're short staffed. I don't know if he's in the office, but he ain't never. Yeah, they don't have a lot of officers. Nobody knew it. You don't want to go to school, they don't know it. Judge Perkins, Mr. Meyer, how can I help you? Hi, are you on Zoom? Okay, good. You saw the notice. Okay, great. The judge is trying to assist you with connecting to Zoom. You need to turn on your audio so you can hear the judge and he can hear you. A lot of times it'll say connect to Wi-Fi or connect to the internet. You won't get a charge, but it allows you to hear on Zoom. Do dial, I think it's the Wi-Fi. It says internet Wi-Fi or something like that. Click that, and that's gonna connect you to the internet, the audio for Zoom. A lot of people don't click it because they think they might get a charge, but you gotta click that. Okay. You have an iPhone, Android. Okay. All right. It should say.
Then he turn his video on too.
I don't know if I say it one more time, because the judge said turn on your audio, your video too. Because he couldn't see, yeah.
What's the spelling? Is he Ray? Is his middle name Ray?
Is your middle name Ray, the judge said? Yes, Judge. Okay, so, you either dial up on internet audio, I believe, or connect to Wi-Fi audio. Okay, it's one of the two. No, that wasn't the right one. Maybe it was the dial up.
He has to connect to Wi-Fi. Use the Wi-Fi.
I think he has a Android,
I think it's probably gonna say
so I
the
think
same.
it say dial up.
Dial up is gonna make the call in, I
Oh,
think. But I don't know.
you have an iPhone?
I have an
I have an
Oh, here it is
Join
right now. It's
audio.
connected.
iPhone. Okay. Join audio. Hit join audio. You gotta join
It's
audio.
connecting now.
He said it's connecting. Okay. I think you can see. Can you see him, Judge?
No, he's gotta
You
turn
still
his
gotta turn
video
your
on.
audio on. I mean, your video. There should be a button.
Right next to the audio.
Right next to the audio. Yep. Okay. You do that
He
too?
didn't connect.
You
His
see?
audio didn't
Yeah,
connect.
audio didn't connect. I think it's dial up on internet audio, because when you have an Android, you gotta dial up. When it's an iPhone, there's some type of button the phone is gonna allow you to.
It should go to that audio button and then give them the options.
Okay. Dial this telephone number. I'm about to give it to you. Just write it down. And then if you have to come back to court, you just have to give it.
Well, we need to see him because does he have proof of insurance?
Judge said, do you have proof of insurance? I'm gonna put you on. Wait on speaker, Judge.
Is that Mr. Lee? Is that a man?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that, sir. I was trying to put you on speakerphone so you can hear the judge and y'all can communicate.
Do you have, good afternoon, Mr. Lee. Do you have, insurance for this vehicle?
No, not that.
You gotta get on here. All you have to do is go to the bottom corner. Do you see an audio button down there?
Hold on.
Bottom left corner. It should be mute. It should be mute. It should be a mute audio. It should be audio on the left. Bottom left corner. You did something earlier to start trying to connect it, but it didn't connect.
Okay, what it's saying now, it says unable to access camera, please allow Zoom to access your camera from the right setting. Is okay on there?
Hit okay. But more importantly, go to the audio right next to the video. It should be audio on the far left corner. Ms. Williams Law, do you have an Android phone?
Yeah.
Oh, Your Honor.
You have iPhone?
Yes.
No, it's, Android.
Mr. Goss, do you have an iPhone or Android? Mr. Berry, do you have an iPhone or Android?
Android.
So when do you ever sign on your Android phone to Zoom?
No.
So what is it saying down at the bottom of your phone? Should have a lot of icons down there.
It's not saying anything down here.
Tap the screen.
Stop the screen. I don't want to look at it. Okay, I see it says, okay, on the left hand side says, it says, join audio.
Okay, join audio. What else does it say? Just join audio, right?
Then it says, Wi-Fi or cellular data.
Wi-Fi.
Now it says allow Zoom to record audio.
Yes.
Put allow.
Yes.
Okay.
There you are. Now hit unmute.
Hit what?
All right, mute your phone now and hit unmute on your Android, the one that you're on.
Okay, hit unmute.
Yep.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Hang up on the telephone.
Huh?
Hang up on the telephone now.
Oh, the other phone.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. All right, now
Okay.
go down and hit the video button.
All right. Start video.
Yes.
Hit okay. Can you see me?
Are you outside?
Pardon me?
Are you outside?
No, I'm sitting. If you can see that, I don't know.
I can't see you until you start your video up.
How do I do that?
On the tap the screen and go to the video portion of it.
Yeah, it's not doing anything.
So what's it saying?
It says start video, but it's a line through it.
Oh, do you have a camera phone?
Yes, it's a camera phone. It's a camera on here.
So hit your video button.
Okay. Start video. Hit okay. Do I have to go through the settings and go through the dual?
What's all that noise in the background?
That's his car. My friend's car. That's his car. He delivers. So. Okay, I'll stand outside. Excuse me. Can you hear me? You said tell him to do what?
You're not gonna be delivering too long with that making all that noise.
Oh, he ain't doing nothing but delivering the medicine.
I know, but it's sounding bad.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. That's his car.
You riding with him?
Hey, they ain't making me messed up. This is his car messed up.
He doesn't get it, does he? You're riding with him, and if his car is messed up and it breaks down, you're gonna be broke down right there with him.
I know where bus at.
Now you're gonna leave him.
No, I wouldn't leave him. He got too much. All right, I'm ready. I don't know why you can't see me though.
Did you ever live on Archdale Street, sir?
Yes.
All right, he's got this this animal cruelty case from back in '98. He's got to go see Judge Bryant.
That was taken care of.
Obviously, it wasn't.
Huh.
Obviously, it wasn't. I don't see anything done here.
That was taken care of.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Terrell Ray Lee.
Yes.
Case number P1350901, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
With us, Barry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lee. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Tyrell Ray Lee. Sorry about that.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
I will enter not guilty plea on his behalf. He already indicated that he doesn't have any insurance. What about driver's license? Do you have a driver's license, sir?
No, I don't.
All right, I'll set it for a pretrial date, so I give him an opportunity to get the license and insurance if he wants.
Okay.
And you want to try to do that?
Yes, I do.
All right, you want to pretrial date December the 2nd, 2022 at 8:30. As for purpose of arraignment, give him a $0 bond and or not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a pretrial date of 12/2/2022. That's December 2nd, 2022 at 8:30. You want to call over there, Judge Bryant's number? Does she want him to have this warrant on there or what? Does she want him to
You
call?
want me to call or you want?
You want to call?
You want to arrange?
We can arraign them. I don't know what she wants to do. Though. This is her case. I'll leave it to her. For the new case in front of me is going to be December 2nd. We're going to give Judge Bryant a call to see if what she wants to do with this 1990.
Right. I'm sorry. Sorry for cutting you off. Sorry about that.
No. Just got a warrant out.
No, he had a jury trial on. It was a jury trial set.
229 call.
Hello?
Yes, hold on, sir.
Oh, okay. All right.
The Honorable Judge Bryant in courtroom 339.
I don't know what they're gonna do about that. I'm gonna give you the number to Judge Bryant's court. You call there tomorrow morning.
You want me to call them?
Yes.
Okay, hold on one second. You say Judge Bryant?
Yes.
Like Kobe Bryant?
Yes.
Okay. That car still making that noise too.
Don't stop until you get something fixed on there.
I believe I know what it is. He know what it is. It's his car. Let me see. 313. Bryant. Okay, I'm ready.
313-965-2295. If there's nothing further, sir,